Hi everyone. Today I would like to share my experience about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. Finally, I got selected in Vserv Infosystems Pvt Ltd, which is located in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. And I got selected as a desktop support engineer with the salary package of 2.3 LPA. I am really thankful to Evision team and I would like to appreciate all the team of Evision for their guidance and suggestion. I am very grateful of my recruiter Gulnaz ma'am who always supported me. Now I tell you something about myself. My name is Adil and I am from Chandausi, Sambhal, which is located in Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my Bachelor of Arts from Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Rohilkar University, Bareilly. Actually, I was looking for a job before joining Evision, but I didn't get any interview calls. So I found Evision and I decided to join Evision internship program, and now I am getting interview calls. That's why I am really grateful of Evision team who supported me every time, and I suggest Evision to those people who are not getting interview calls, and I am very happy with Evision. Thank you.